2006 Honda Pilot. This is going to be a starter replacement. This is the starter here, right here. First we're gonna remove the negative from the battery. I'm not showing that on camera, but anybody knows how to do that. Next we're gonna remove this wire here from the S terminal. Now this is a 12mm bolt, like this. Okay, already loosen it. Then I use a small one here, a ratchet. This is ratchet. Also, it came from this side. Oops, fell on the floor. Now I took it off, as you can see, the wire. Remember, the battery has been disconnected. This is a wobble adapter here. Let's see if I can get it done with this. If I can use a small ratchet. This is the picture of the vehicle, and I'm working right there. Let's see. And there is this is the starter, 14mm bolt here on top, and another 14 beneath. I'm gonna see if I can use the one on top here. Okay, now I'm gonna be taking this off here. The dipstick, I should have done it since the beginning. Okay, this is the new one here. As you can see, one hole over here, and the other one is there. On this side, this is here, on this side over here, on the driver's side. However, when I'm working on this side, I just leave it like that. And I use something to hold the hood. Alright, so this is the direction I'm guiding you here. That's where the starter goes, right there. Exactly. It has a gasket. Right there. That's the 14mm bolt right there. One. And the other one is here, if you can see, right there. Now, just something to mention, just before getting this started, don't forget to remove the, so here it's very easy to remove it. So this is the way this gonna go through this hose here. Right there. Now I'm holding the camera with one hand, so I'm gonna see if I'm gonna try to leave the wires here, so I don't leave them beneath or something. Alright, right there, and it's very easy. I'm gonna connect it. Okay, that's the starter right there, and I'm pretty sure the camera, I have put the bolt by hand right here. I don't know if the camera can get to see the head of the bolt. These are the connectors. This is the small washer here. I put the washer. this. Just put this connector here. And put the dipstick here. And that's it. And connect the negative.